The Lake Superior and Ishpeming Railroad provides a crucial link in the iron ore industry as they transport taconite from mine to ship in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Come with us as we document LS&I's daily activities in beautiful fall foliage on the AFLK Productions YouTube channel. We start off our video at Palmer Lake Junction as we see CEFX 1022 bring a short Jenny train past the searchlights. Jumping over to the cut, we see LS&I 1003 bring a loaded train back to Eagle Mills. From high above, we can see all different shades of fall colors bring a light to the northern Michigan landscape. Next up, we pace CEFX 1009 as they close in on the M35 grade crossing. We take a break from all the blues and explore what lies inside of Eagle Mills. We start off looking at LS&I's now all retired greens as they await an uncertain fate outside of the shops. A yellow painted crane car can be seen on the western side of the shops. In this video, we glance down at the shops, along with two sets of blue AC 4400s awaiting their next assignment. At Buffalo Road, we see CEFX 1022 bring a 7 Tilden back to the mine. To the north of the tracks in the woods, we see the remnants of an old mine. Here we see the weir hot on the 7 Tilden's tail. A different day, we capture the wader starting to navigate through large fill piles as it ducks under an overpass for mining equipment. Later, the wader comes out and takes the south leg of the Y, passing a small lake. Meanwhile, a 3 Tilden brings loads back to Eagle Mills with LS&I 1005 on point. Soon after, the wader would come back from Partridge Junction Light and head back to Eagle Mills. Later, we look down at a 3 Tilden curving through fall foliage off New Buffalo Road. Later, the 3 Tilden would head back through Palmer Lake Junctions on its way back to Eagle Mills. Another day, we would see a 3 Tilden round the corner at Rolling Mill Road as they head light to the mine. Lastly, we see the 3 Tilden head back to Eagle Mills as we watch over Clear Blue Lake. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this fall production on the Lake Superior and Ishpeming Railroad, please leave a like and keep on the lookout for future videos as we explore Canadian National around the Ishpeming and Negroni area. As always, I'm Logan, and I'll see you trackside.